Hello everyone, in today's video we are going to make this Kiwi earbuds pouch. It's very easy to make and is ideal for beginners. I will leave you the sizes and the materials I used in the description box below, so let's get started. With our first color, we are going to make the center of our kiwi. So we are going to make a magic ring. If you don't want to make the magic ring, chain 4 and slip stitch into the first chain into a ring. Inside the magic ring, I'm going to make one single crochet and one chain. This is going to simulate my first double crochet. Then we're going to add 9 more double crochet. Total we need 10. I'm going to finish my 10 double crochet and I will meet you there. I have my 10 double crochet. Now we can close the ring. You can slip stitch into that chain on top of the single crochet, or you can do like I do with the yarn and needle. We're going to close our center of the kiwi in this way, not into the first, into the second. Insert the hook from the back of this stitch, back into the previous, in this way. We can weave in at the end and switch color. I have the second color. Now we start working with the half double crochet. We're going to make a slip knot, we insert the hook anywhere. I'm going to make a single crochet. If you want, you can chain 2, it will work as well. So I'm going to hide this tail while I'm working. So we need 2 half double crochet in each stitch around. For the first one, I'm going to make only 1 and I will complete when I finish the round. So into the next stitch, I'm going to make half a double crochet and 1 more into the same stitch. Next stitch, same, half a double crochet and 1 more into the next into the same stitch, excuse me. In this way, 2 half double crochet around. I'm almost at the end of the second round. I just need 1 more stitch here because here we have just 1. This is my last. Total we have 20 stitches. Now to close and join this ring, make this loop a little bit loose into the second stitch, not the first. Here we're going to join in this way. Now we can start round number 3. From where we are, I go back into the same stitch and I make a single crochet. If you want, you can chain 2, of course. So this is my first half double crochet. Into the next stitch we're going to make 2 half double crochet, 1 and 2. Into the next stitch 1 half double crochet, and into the next stitch 2. And this is the pattern that we're going to follow for round number 3. We're going to make 1 2 1 2 1 2 all around. I'm at the end of round number 3. If we did everything all right, we should have 30 stitches, and we should finish with the 2 half a double crochet into the same stitch. Now we can cut the yarn. If you want, as usual, you can slip stitch. I'm going to join with the invisible join with the yarn needle. So here is my single crochet. I'm going into the next stitch from the back. So I create a loop for the little short one. In this way. Now we can weave in the end, and we're going to switch color. I have the next color, so like we did before, we're going to make a slip knot, and we make a loop in this way. I like to start where we have only 1 half double crochet instead of 2. So we start here, we insert the hook, we pick up the loop, and I make a single crochet. If you want, you can chain 2. So this is the pattern that we're going to follow for round number 4. Into the next stitch 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch 2 half double crochet. One and 2. Into the next 2 stitches we are going to make 2 half double crochet. So 1 in each. 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch 1 half double crochet, and into the next stitch 2 into the same stitch. 1 and 2. And that's all we need to do for this round. We make 1 and 2 in 2 different stitches, and 2 together into the next. 2 2 together, 2 2 together. I'm at the end of round number 4. Total we should have 40 stitches, and we should finish with the 2 half double crochet together. Now we can slip stitch into the first stitch in this way. Now what we're going to do is to create the loop for our pouch, this one. So here into the next stitch I'm going to pick up a loop and slip stitch again, and I'm going to chain 5. 1 2 3 4 and 5. Into the next stitch we're going to slip stitch. in this way. We can do create one more loop. We can cut the yarn. We make it tight, and we have our knot. And we created our loop. Now we are going to weave in this end, and we're going to simulate the typical seeds of the kiwi. I have here a black color yarn. I already put it on my yarn needle. This one is 30 inches, 76 centimeter, but I will use it for both pieces. So I think give or take 15 inches, it will be enough. Now at the other hand, I'm going to make a couple of knots to make it more secure in this way. Now here we are going to start from the white. We insert the needle here in this way, and we go between the two half double crochet of the second round that we made. So I insert my needle here in the middle, and we pull through in this way. Next, we go at the base here on the white part here, where we have the two half double crochet. We insert, and here in the middle we do the same. Again, at the base of the other two half double crochet, and that's all we need to do all around. I finished to simulate the seeds. That's how it looks like. Now we can turn. Here we have the other hand. We can just pull through another stitch, the yarn, and we can tie them together. And then we're going to weave in this end. That's how it looks like. Now we need another slice of kiwi, exactly the same, except for this loop. The other loop is made like this one, but it has 30 chains. So you're going to make another slice the same, but with 30 chains loop. I will finish the other side and I will meet you there. I have here the second slice of the kiwi. Now we're going to join them together. I prepared already my yarn needle with the same color yarn that I used for our last round, which is a brown color. Now we're going to put the wrong side facing each other in this way. Then insert the big loop into the small one, just to keep them together in this way. Now if you want here, you can use some stitch markers to mark the stitch where you're not going to sew. So here I'm going to count from here 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 stitches. So I'm going to start into the 6th here. If you need a bigger, you can go down a little bit more, 1 or 2 stitches. So here I made a couple of knots on my yarn, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm starting from the inside here. In this way. I'm going into the other stitch. Then under the next stitch and pick up the other side in the same way. Then under the next stitch and under the other side as well. Under this and the other. And that's all we need to do, back and forth, just a simple stitch it. Don't tie it too much. It's not needed. So it's not going to change the shape, the round shape of our kiwi. And that's all we need to do for this part. I will finish and I will meet you before the end. I'm almost at the end. I have here I did my last stitch. Now I'm going to pass through only one here and then inside, so we can hide and weave in the tail. You can make a couple of knots if you like. Then we're gonna cut the yarn. And our pouch is ready. It fits most of the average cases of earbuds. That's how it looks like. I hope you liked this video. If it's so, please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye!